Hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can find suppliers for your dropshipping Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, here you can see one app which is Pocket. You can use it. You can use DSRs also. Just tap onto these links and go to the site that suits you best. I'm going to show you the top few ones. You can just tap on to start drop shipping, and then you can just set it up and you can start selling. You can log in using your Facebook, Google, or email address, and etc. You can head over to desserts and you have to log in and you can use it for your drop shipping. Also, there are other options, for example, Zen Drop and etc. So these are basically the sites that will provide you Shopify dropshipping stores. And if you want wholesale stores, then you can visit Magnolia Fashion Wholesale. You can just search it up and you can go to their website and you can start drop shipping from their site. They basically wholesale trio. There's another one which is Dollar Days. This is also a wholesale supplier. You can bulk items online. You can see their products here, etc. You can also choose Petra Dropshipping. This is another great dropshipping website. You can buy bulk from here. You can also check out GTS distribution right from here. So these were the some top wholesale suppliers. So just choose the best one that suits you, and there we go. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.